Alright, today I'm going to review the AK-1 AK-47, and if you remember in my review, I talked about a 440 FPS gun. This is it. And again, FPS is obviously 440, it shoots pretty hard. It's a full metal except for the magazine, which is plastic, which I particularly do not like. Hold on a sec, I gotta get the rest of the book. Holy crap, yeah. Alright, so it start off, the barrel, it's pretty long, and it's an AK. It's metal, full metal, and then even the tip is metal. The sights, this adjusts, like if you push these in, push it up, you know, it's got 8 different positions for distance, obviously. It came with a foregrip. This foregrip, you press, I had some trouble with this because I had no idea what to do, so you push this in. Once you get it on, you know, it comes up, goes down. As I said, the sights, they're pretty nice actually. You can adjust both of them, but you have to use a screwdriver to adjust the front sight. So I'm going to try to get a view looking down the sights for you guys. Hold on. It's full metal, it's pretty heavy. This is not easy. Oh well, you get the idea. Mag, this is a big, well first let's go. The hop up is right there, the metal thing. You pull this back and that reveals the hop up. The position is this. This is safe. Upside down one, that's full auto, semi-auto. And the back comes off if you have a certain type of battery. I have the battery that goes into the top. You push the spec button here, that comes off. Just the reveals, you can put a battery in there. This thing is tough to put back on, which is not fun, especially in the game, you know. Hold up. There we go. Back up. Magazine, this is tough. To take it off, you push this in, and it releases. Sorry about the BB spawn out. Put it in. This part, that part. Put this with that into the top part. You kind of shoot it in like that, and then so it's going to look like this. Start, and then click it in like this. You should hear a reassuring click, and it won't come out. It's a basic spin to load. That's pretty much it. Let's go see how it fires accuracy-wise. Alright, so what we're looking at is that tree right there that I'm pointing at is the tree that we're going to be aiming for. And that tree